Down south, we like our snacks crispy, creamy, with a little kick. These jalapeno poppers check all the boxes and disappear fast. Hey folks, welcome to Aunt Sandy's Kitchen. Today we are going to be making stuffed jalapeno poppers. They're great for appetizers or just a snack or whatever, take to a holiday picnic. So what I've done, I've washed and seeded, get all the seeds and the membrane out of your peppers like this. Then we're going to stuff them with the filling. And I'll have that in the recipe. You might want to wear gloves while you're cutting them up. It don't bother me, but it might bother other people. I've already stuffed the peppers. Now we're going to bread them. You dip them first in milk. Then we're going to roll them in flour. Get them good and coated. Our poppers have been drying for 10 minutes, and now we're going to coat them in milk and breadcrumbs this time. We've let the poppers dry. Now we're going to dip them again in milk and breadcrumbs. We're going to let them sit for 10 more minutes until they're dry, and then we're going to fry them up. And I've got my oil heating up to 365. We're going to put half of the poppers in the oven at 350, and then we're going to fry the rest of them. The poppers are out of the oven, and I've fried the rest of them, and you can really tell a difference. I like the ones that are fried better because as they sat in the oven, they started oozing out, and they didn't take as long. But to each his own. You can try them both like I did, and but they look delicious. So I hope you try them. Down in the comments, let me know what appetizer you like that has a little kick to it. Down in the description is the recipe and a link to a printable one. Now, before we go, I want to make sure you have everything you need from today's recipe. I put the Walmart collection links for this recipe right down in the description so that it's easy to find. Also, head over to AuntSandy'sKitchen.com and visit Aunt Sandy's shop for all my Amazon and Walmart affiliate links I may have mentioned. And if this video really helped you, scroll down and look for the thank you button. It's called a super thanks, and it means more than you'll ever know. God bless, and we'll see you in the kitchen. Thank you for watching my videos, and God bless.